Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at a product called ClearVision Glass Cleaner. This is one of those products that promises to give your car's windows, mirrors, and even shower glass a flawless, streak-free finish with professional-grade results. They advertise an entire exterior performance bundle, claiming advanced formulas, durable protection, and effortless application, all designed to make car care simple. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, ClearVision's website really tries to make the product sound like a game changer. They talk about cutting-edge chemistry, long-lasting protection, and how easy it is to apply. On the surface, it looks like the perfect solution for anyone wanting their car or home glass to shine. But as always, it's important to dig a little deeper before spending your money. One of the first red flags is the lack of contact information. There's no phone number, no physical address, just generic emails and contact forms. Buying from a website without proper contact info is always risky, because if something goes wrong, it's hard to get help. The website does have some glowing reviews, but when you check third-party sources like Trustpilot, the feedback is much more mixed, with an average rating of around 3.3 stars. That's not terrible, but it's far from the perfect results the website advertises. Then there's the actual product performance. Some users say the cleaner works well on mirrors and windows, even in the shower, but there are several complaints about streaks, awkward applicators, and uneven results, especially on rear car windows. A lot of people report that the sponge applicator doesn't even release the liquid properly, and following all the instructions still doesn't get results like the ads. Some users also mention difficulty with refunds, where the process becomes complicated and shipping costs aren't refunded, which is frustrating. Others have had concerns about potential security issues, reporting fraudulent billing on their cards after purchase, which raises questions about how the company handles customer information. On the flip side, some users genuinely enjoyed the product, saying their windows and mirrors looked great even in the rain, and that applying it was easy and effective. So, what's the takeaway? ClearVision Glass Cleaner isn't necessarily a scam. It does clean glass to some extent, but it's clear the results are inconsistent. Some people get exactly what they were promised, while others are left with streaks, awkward application, or poor customer service experiences. The product is real, but it may not live up to the hype, and the lack of clear contact information is something to consider before buying.